Okay, guys, here's an update. So, I managed to put my laptop's hard disk in here. If you guys can see, that is my laptop's hard disk. I have ordered a cage, but it has not yet arrived. I just got myself a SATA cable and I just plugged it in. So, I'm just gonna show it to you real quick. Here you go. This is basically my normal hard drive, the one that was in my PC, and this one, the Acer, and these two. They're completely from my laptop. It's working fine. This check was done, and everything's compatible. And I also installed Terraria. Yay, Minecraft and Terraria. So basically now my PC has around 1 TB of storage. I know you guys also mentioned me to upgrade to SSD, but for that I have to invest, and right now the only thing I've invested is a mounting bracket for 3.5 to 2.5. So I got that so that I can put this SSD, my laptop's hard disk, into the hard disk bay and not just keep it there over some solo. Also, that's an utter mess. Yes, my friends, I ended up making a complete mess. I just disassembled the entire laptop. This hinge is broken. If you can see here, it's actually broken. It snapped off. It was snapped off already by the time I opened it. So basically, this hinge is alright, but that hinge is broken. And here are some parts that I have salvaged from that. This is another part that I salvaged. A keyboard and a trackpad. So yeah, they work pretty nice. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of dust. What the hell? And yeah, basically I have a keyboard and a trackpad. um, that's a whole bunch of screws. So next, I have this fan from my processor. Actually, it's kind of busted. It's not working properly. um, I don't even know if it'll actually be worth anything. That's the battery. It is completely dead. Okay, this, you know what, this laptop's hinge is going to kill me someday. um, yeah, that's a peripheral USB 2.0 port. Wonder if I can use any riser to, use it as an extra USB 2.0 for my PC, the front port. Also, I got this, the DVD drive. So it's kind of okay. And there is this, the Wi-Fi adapter. I personally don't have any idea if I can actually use this one and a riser for PCIe 1x or 2x and use this as my Wi-Fi adapter instead of this thing. You see this one? This one is horrible. Trust me, it is horrible. At least, yeah, this is actually Qualcomm, so I can actually go and get some drivers for it. But oh, if anyone is asking, this is just a phone stand that I got with my Asus Zenfone Max Pro. So yeah, and finally, a DDR4 RAM, 1600. DDR3 RAM, 1600 megahertz. So I mean, it may be useful if I end up getting another laptop just for a side purpose. And to wrap it up, here it is, the main motherboard. It actually had two RAM slots. There's the grill. It's extremely dusty, and there are a hell lot of stuff which I have absolutely no fucking idea about. Okay, coming back to the main subject. This is the LCD from my laptop, and let me show you guys. So basically, this is the model number. Okay, come on, focus, light, get out. Yeah, that's the model number, and this is actually the port that I need. The port that I have on my PC is this thick. It's literally this big, the gap between. Okay, double the size of it. And this is basically inbuilt backlit, so it's slim and all that. But the one in the PC is at least this thick, double the size of this. So I need to get my hands on a controller board um, until then I may have to play it like this. So yeah, that does not looks good at all, especially these. My god, they're horrible. And in case you guys are wondering, here's the beautiful cable management that I've done inside of my PC. That's a 120 ml fan on a 90 ml duct, and I have just used one screw and some wire to hold it together. I know I'm genius, right? And I actually forgot that I need one more of, no, not the Molex one, shit, fuck. Yeah, the other port for my DVD box to actually work, because I have a SATA connected, but I forgot that I need a power. So I need to get the adapter from Molex to this particular power so that I can use my DVD drive out here, which I really need because many of my songs are in there. It can read, but it has no power. So yeah, it's just like in coma. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much a small tour of the insides of my PC. It is having a Pentium dual core right under that fan and a GT220, and it's making a lot of noise. Listen to it. Yeah, it's hell lot noisy. Well, um, I actually don't know what the hell am I gonna do right now. Okay, maybe I'll end up playing some. I don't know. Or else I might just, play some songs. What the hell is it? Yeah, here it is. G Drive. Oh my gosh, it's slow. Anime OST, anime CDs, anime movies. You know what? I'll just go ahead and watch some anime CDs and all that stuff. What is in there? Nothing. Okay. Well, that is all, folks. I'll keep you guys updated regarding the adventure that I have decided to go on to. So until then, see ya.